Hello, I'm Julie Parisi in Scottsdale, Arizona for the first ever WealthStack conference. I'm now joined by Rich Powers of Vanguard. Rich, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks, Julie. Happy to be here.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about how ETFs can be used to solve problems for investors?
Sure. So ETFs give the investors access to global bonds, global equities. Actually, an investor can build a totally globally diversified portfolio for less than 10 basis points, hold 22,000 different securities. And so for investors looking to simplify, they can do that with an ETF in ways that funds really didn't afford them.
And how is Vanguard really changing the space in the ETF landscape?
Well, our mantra has been low cost, diversified portfolios for a long time, and so costs continue to come down in the industry. Also at Vanguard, I think one of the interesting developments at Vanguard has been our launch of the factor funds about 18 months or so ago. A kind of novel concept for us, and the way we're doing it is a little different from the industry. Also, ESG is a place where we're changing the game in terms of how we bring products to market, the exposures they provide.
Can you elaborate a little bit on that, the
Sure.
ESG?
Sure, I think investors historically have thought about ESG as a place where you might be taking a pretty big bet away from the marketplace. The ESG products that are ETFs that we have actually are broadly diversified portfolios where they can be proxies for a total market US equity portfolio or international equity portfolio. You are taking some tracking error, but not a large bit of tracking error that largely is associated with the ESG products.
And switching gears now, are you enjoying WealthStack?
WealthStack's been great vibe here, really interesting sessions that have been here, and lots of practice management work that I think a lot of advisors are finding are deeply resonating.
Excellent, Rich. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
And for more information on WealthStack, you can visit wealthstack.co.